This tunnel looks kinda creepy. Don't you think?
Of course it is. I really don't know why did you ask.
I just never been here before.
Well, I bet Ghost won't try to get you. Ha 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 ha.
Hey! You know there is no such thing as ghost. Everyone knows that for 9 years.
Whatever.
I guess there is just nothing but railway tracks.
It's just an old abandoned train tunnel. What could possibly go?
Wait! Do you hear that?
Hear what? Oh my God. What was that?
I don't know.
Didn't we just see, huh?
I think we did.
We need to report this to local police.
Yes.